Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you what is the shortcut of opening Task Manager in Windows operating system. So this will be work every Windows operating system like Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. So what is the shortcut? It is very simple. Simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape. You can see here I'm pressing Ctrl Shift Escape, then the Task Manager will be pop up. So this is one of the most useful shortcut. You can simply use this. What's the purpose of this task manager? It is to identify what is the usage of your RAM, CPU, memory, disk, and all of your computer parts. And also you can end some process, some application lag, maybe they don't work. You cannot close that applications, so you can use this application. Right click on some application, whatever you want, then go to end task. Then it will be terminate that application process. So if you are facing problem with some application does not working with close button, then you can use this trick. Simply press Ctrl Shift Escape from anywhere, even your laptop or PC or desktop. Okay, then you will get this pop-up. Then go to that process page. After selecting application, then right click, then end. That's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.